letter D. Before going to the class, I will tell one good sentence. If we talk friendly to others, we will get more friends. Go to the class.
So today we will learn the capital letter D. How to trace the capital letter D? Shall we see how to trace it? Yes. It's very simple. It's the half part of the capital letter B. Yes. Okay. First observe. We have to draw the standing line and then a right curve. That's it, from start to end of the standing line. That's the capital letter D. See the hand first, standing line. After that, it is showing the right curve. Yes, what is that letter? That's the capital letter D. Again, standing line and the right curve. That's the capital letter D. Now I will show how to write in the 4 lines grid. That means in the English notebook. In the first 3 lines you have to write the standing line and the right curve also in between the first 3 lines. Okay. Yes, again standing line in the first 3 lines and the right curve also in the first 3 lines. That means from the start and end of the standing line. This is for your reference. You practice after this class. Okay. That's the capital letter D, how to write it. Shall we see some words with the D? Yes. D for doll. Doll. That's the playing toy for the children, right? Yes. D for dolphin. Dolphin or the marine mammals closely related to the whales. It's almost like the whales. D for dog. You all know what is the dog. It's the most faithful animal who guards people. D for doctor. To whom will you go when you get sick? You will go to the doctor, right? Yes. D for dip. It is the to put something into your liquid and pull it out again quickly. That means when you are eating some chapati, you will dip the chapati into the sauce, right? Yes, that's the dip. Okay. D for dinosaur. You all know, did you watch the movie Jurassic Park? In that movie, all are dinosaurs only. But they are in the past, they are not now. Okay. Yes. D for dinosaur, who lived on earth millions ago. The next one, D for duck. It's the swimming bird. You all know what is duck. D for dumbbell. It's the free weight piece of equipment used in weightlifting. It's used for the exercises. Okay. That's the D for dumbbell. Circle the letter D. We came to the classes. The first one, what is that? The capital letter. What is the first letter? That's the capital letter A. The next one, capital letter B. The next one, capital letter C. You all learned in the previous classes. The next one, the capital letter D. Yes, circle it. The next one is the capital letter D. No. This one? Yes. Circle it. The next one? No. It's not the D. This one? S. Circle it. This one? No. Circle the objects that begin with letter D. Okay. What is the first one? D for dolphin. Circle it. These are leaves. They are not with D. This one, this is the water can. The next one, what is this? D for door. To open and close, you know, right? That is the D for duck. Circle it. Yes, these are the words. Draw D for dumbbell. Shall we go for drawing? How to draw the dumbbell? These will be used for the weights. That means for hands. Exercise for hands. Yes. So it's very simple. First observe. You have to write the first capital letter D. At the left hand side of the capital letter D and with a small distance, write the reverse of the capital letter D. That means the standing line with the left curve. Okay. In between the two standing lines, what you have to do? You have to draw two sleeping lines. See, what is this? This is the dumbbell which is used for the weights for the hands. That means exercise for the hands to get strong of these muscles. Okay. And you can color with your choice. Anything, any color. Okay. It's very simple. Try, kids. Okay. Nice. So what will you do after this class? You have to practice the capital letter D and also draw the picture of dumbbell and color with your choice. Okay. This is very important. You have to practice all the letters even if what you learnt previous also. Okay. Bye bye. Have a good day, kids.